August 30th, 2016, and at the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV Table, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt based on terrestrial something. Those who they watch us online, we do on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live, and that's Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As in a heart, where we go to hit you with all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the TV you for body, so that those who they need us go hear word, take steps to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother with Samuel and still concern the political matter as in a heart.
Yes, a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. And now as in the hot, now you don't do it, now you don't come on our way again. That political program where they for me they sunshine out different political activities will happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we'll go different, just as the only they talk. Because every informate, every news, every gist will carry come here. Now gist say it concern Nigerians generally, and at least as Nigerians will be collectively we will do it. We will also know we will take at least strict back to inside so we will find a lasting solution to them by the time we open our phone lines. May not be in mind say we got 3 solid telephone line for now 1 2 3 line. 2 3 line is that go call. Now go express ourselves. But when it comes to the payment, make now leave that one for us. We go handle them. My name never change. My name is Nkubi. And it's now Ask Ide Hot.
Based on the action today we will carry come today, now one we discussed yesterday, but today we go discuss them extensively, bring out different angle for inside this particular story so that everybody inside the world of Nigeria go fit chook mouth inside the discussion. And this one get to do with the talk when Mr. Oga Presido talk for Nairobi, the capital of Kenya, over the weekend. Everybody remember Mr. Oga Presido in carry in Portmanteau, go inside Nairobi for Kenya, go represent Nigeria for one Ogbonge conference when we say Japan, they organize for African countries. Japan gets interest inside Obodo Nigeria because of say Nigeria are like the giant of Africa. But based on the way we say militancy they happen inside the Niger Delta, people when we say they won't come invest, that is they won't come chook money or plant money inside Obodo Nigeria to bring profit. They look say this government they in control of everything. Oga Presido can't stand up when they follow news story people talking clear through 3 times. In contact say in government they do everything to use ensure say the problem of militancy for the Niger Delta say they settle them. Say they don't open their hands say okay if you be militant you say you dey fight for your people, just like the government they try do things we go improve the life of everybody inside Nigeria and also the Niger Delta. Make una come sit down come discuss, but some people they talk say we won't discuss, others they say we no go discuss. We can't tell the people when they say the government go give Boko Haram treatment to militants them if they no come table, come sit down, come discuss how we go take move that issue when they affect everybody inside Niger Delta forward. People come and come talk say if you come out first talk say you and the elders una they discuss this thing, and these boys when me say that they worry anyhow they don't talk say okay we believe say you want discuss with us, we can't talk say we go stop the bombing with the bomb. Why you can't go they talk this kind of thing like say you they carry shoulder up say this if we add more fuel to the fire. The question we want to ask today and say this particular talk when Mr. Oga Presido talk, you think say you go add fuel to the fire, and how we fit go about managing information, because we don't talk say every time when Oga Presido come up for inside Obodo Nigeria, if he travel anywhere, even if he just cross leg for Benin Republic, saying like just pass Nigeria, once he reach Badagry leg pass Nigeria, he go begin to talk anyhow. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. Remember to move this our country forward as Ide, and you go complete them.
Yes, and welcome back to the program now as Ide Hot. And if they watch us, the topic we they talk about today, that repent now or receive Boko Haram treatment. Who they talk this one now? Oga Presido himself, when he carry like go Nairobi, Kenya, for one conference where Japan organized, and from there he can they give the international, that is the international countries confidence onto say wait, onto say yes. So say by the time he address the issue of that is the militancy finish, at least people go fit get the ginger, go fit get that relaxed mind to do it, to come invest into the country. But then the question comes, say, okay, going by the fact say, okay, we don't start a particular negotiation with these people. Say this talk where Oga President talk right now, she no be to just stay in the stir up the same solution we don't define to this thing. I be that just want to say make her sit talk the same way in the talk once you don't travel about from the country. And now this matter we dey talk about, and by the time we go open our phone lines, at least we go collect na calls to also get our own reaction on top of, to also know wetin dey ideal. Say if they add fire to the argument, I be now still in there on the right track of waiting in the talk. Now what we dey talk about today? Chukudi still dey studio. Chukudi, you don't talk and finish, but then we can also bring them from this angle. If a president of a country don't look a particular situation finish, can't say, okay, these people don't cause enough havoc to wait till we get on ground. And this havoc, if you say now probably a few individuals, probably, you know to affect nation, therefore say, okay, make we still find way to do it and to say we won't bring them to table. And just as they do now. But then, this havoc what they cause now, this destruction what they cause now, it affect the entire nation, especially our resources, because government could fall on the path, say, yo, so, okay, we now don't spoil these things, now don't spoil our only source of income. How will now expect us to get money to take, at least, address those that projects to go talk, say we go address, at least pay workers their money, do this one and do that one. Because if now continue with this destruction, now the entire, that is, we no go feel see what we go feel fall back on them. That is why I feel so, okay, fine. Government they say, I feel say government on their own part. Also, their statements also somehow they justifiable on the grounds. Okay, we cannot continue to live like this. We cannot continue to allow this thing destroy if no fit take action. And the action in this case can be come table make we talk. And if now no agree, see the kind of action we will take on top of now. As the federal government will then be. You understand? Because nobody is bigger than a nation.
True.
So now within me from the angle I see, if the sects continue to say today they want to destroy, and the president call that say, okay, me now go find address the people of this particular matter the forceful way, then Nigeria, a lot of Nigerians no go need to say, okay, can't they complain, because now just to safeguard the interest of the country.
Very, very true. And everybody knows say the primary responsibility of government now to ensure say they protect the lives of the citizens and also the property. And everybody when they inside the country now, person when we say the government they're responsible for, irrespective of say, okay, if we check the way Nigeria they now based on political zones, this person come from this part, this person come from this part. Whether you like him or not, the president must come from one particular part of the country. But in primary constituency now, every part of Nigeria, because now president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and as the president of the country, you know if you go anywhere, can't talk say you know concern you, or you don't want to talk anything, or anything when they like make them do. As the president, especially when you do platform when we say foreign investors day and countries when they look say, okay, we don't see potential for this country, we don't see what we do to develop them. If wahala they happen and they get consensus, you suppose to show them say na like this today. But it go dey very, very important, just like plenty people they talk, make we know how they manage information. Because if the way when we say when you set out, when you put information outside, people they decode them for mass communication. People go look say, okay, now what did this person try mean from this thing? So it go good when if person they approach issue, make you approach all the issue, make it not be like say person just take one part of the thing, when they use them. Now why I emphasize on the fact say the president talk say we go give them Boko Haram treatment if they know they're willing to. Now if you talk say you be militant and you dey fight for the interest of your people based on say as somebody wey come from that region, you don't see say okay na here they take the oil from, na here the money they come from, but other people they use them, una no dey see them at all. Remember say na people wey come from that particular place, they be governors for that, they be governors for that particular region and all those places like that. All this kind of thing going to cause confusion for that particular part of the country.
Exactly.
All this is what they talk.
Well, our phone lines go dey open very soon, so that at least we will get our own reaction on top of this matter. If now call, at least maybe we hear our own view on the way forward, how we take address this particular matter. Say wetin Oga President talk. Say, okay, if they no come for round table, they go take a forceful approach. Now the right way is supposed to talk. Abi make it still do it in, make it still at least ensure say that negotiation do it in, play out. So now what we will address on today by the time we start to collect our call. So Chukudi, furthermore, the thing be saying. I feel say, just as we talked earlier, for the interest of a country, if nations or probably interested countries, maybe say they're supposed to invest, for instance, don't they look the height of threats we will get for our country as a result of certain insecurity issues that affect us? It could they very, very difficult for such countries to say, okay, make them come do it, make them come invest. Because in the end, they go feel say, okay, what are they come invest in? If I come and in the end, maybe my money just waste, insecurity affect them and all that. So why not just, I just carry my money, go another place, go do it, go invest. But that is just it. But that is why, if we also need to look at, we also need to address the problems we will get for house. Because if we not address the problems we will get for house, it could they keep investors away from coming in.
Very, very true. Just even the ones when they don't even
work out.
Don't come out.
Don't they work out. The ones where they don't work already. And now still us they are affected because in the end people could they lose jobs.
Very true.
And by the time people go lose jobs, you're going to lead to further insecurity for the country. So now waiting they there. So now just to find a balance to this whole thing.
Very, very true. And it go good make all the people when they involved for this particular issue, the government on the one hand, the militants when they complain on the other hand, say make everybody sit down and talk, say in the interest of everybody for Obodo Nigeria, make them discuss, make them find solution to this issue once and for all. We get Oga Paul. Oga Paul, they call us all the way from Lagos. Oga Paul, welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning, Oga Paul.
The truth be say, the comments that the president make no really they okay.
Okay.
Not be say it's not today basha, but the truth is say the militants now them now come out say they want to negotiate. Now they volunteer. Not be say now the president now or rather the president or the federal government they force them to negotiate. Now then they say they want to negotiate. So if the president they made this kind of comment, it can't be like say maybe they don't lose or one thing. Now most of them, you know how they see they behave. They also okay. So maybe they say they come out with their good mind to negotiate. The federal government they made this kind of comment, or yeah, maybe they go back to where they did before.
Oga Paul, Oga Paul.
If you say more, look up.
Oga Paul. Oga Paul, you did there?
I hear you.
I get one question now. If from the document when they are available of the activities of militants for the Niger Delta, it gets 6. When people talk, say, okay, based on the way we say these 6 they operate, these 6 be like the ones when we say we feel rich. But we get different ones when we say that they operate as criminal gangs. Nobody know who them be. Nobody know how they take operate. Now the question now say, if you like you talk, you say militants them, and then come out now and talk say they want negotiate with government. How we go know those when we say they really want negotiate? Because if we get 6 and we talk say okay, we'll meet these 6. All of a sudden, another one. These 6 when they even talk of now the ones when we say they come and talk say okay, we get websites. If we do something, we put them saying that we do them. But every day you go hear of this one, you go hear of that one. If we really fit talk say we dey negotiate with people, I be making it be like the scam of the previous one when they will talk say okay, we don't reach agreement with some people, then other people will come and talk say no be we will not discuss with, now other people will not discuss with. How we go fit know those when we say now them be the militants and now them we dey discuss with and we really fit trust them?
Okay, see somebody called yesterday. The person talk something. He said the truth be told, this federal government they get better intel about all these militants. So even if they want to do the best thing, we know say yes, say the criminal ones, the real ones, they know them. The federal government know these people. They're not fit to say they don't know any of them. Why not pick two persons at least from, if let's say there be 6 or let's say there be 50 groups. Say you pick two from these 50 groups, nobody will say they don't represent them for this meeting. So if you say they're sincere, they're supposed to pick these people around. They know that they don't fit to say they don't know them because yesterday paper, the military they thought they will release video of our military where they do oil bunkering. So if you look at everybody gets secret where they say hook each other, so they know themselves. They know how they'll fit call these people together. They make peace once and for all.
Very
then
true.
Two, our president has made this kind of comment. Remember, say herdsmen they one side. The lives of herdsmen don't see within 1 year. Don't big pass with the military don't do for the past 4 years. So more judges say if you really be on top of the issue, you're not supposed to wonder why every time everybody now, all African unions now they meet for Kenya. Nigeria is the biggest country for Africa, but now Kenya or South Africa they go meet. Why they not see from Nigeria if you be say on top of the case? So it go really good maybe say maybe they watch the kind of word when they talk. And right now he don't come back to Nigeria. We no go hear from him. See he go any other country for meeting or any other thing. So if in the on top of the situation, make it the talker for this country, may we believe say yes in the on top of the situation.
Thank you very much, Oga Paul. And we get Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, you call us from Yola. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Obiora.
We greet you, Oga Obiora.
You know, to worry me of waiting Oga President talk because you don't become part of us. So if you want to hear information from the President, just expect and when he travels. But the main point is not tackling militants using Boko Haram way. But even the Boko Haram way, man, now, as we are speaking now, is not over. In newspaper, in media, you'll be hearing we have clear Boko Haram. But we that we are in Adamawa not know that there is Boko Haram inside the town. Even as we are speaking now, many people have been killing. Even those towns that they have told us that they have cleared, people have been still killing, bringing them inside the capital. And again, if you now say that militants will just bomb them, you can never finish that work. So instead of fighting them, killing them, you fight the cause of the militancy. The cause is neglection. They don't forget them. They collect money from their land and leave their land. Collect money from the envelope and throw the envelope. So let them begin to show those people that this money is from your place. Develop the place, force development. You cannot say, okay, we'll create a development commission, we'll give them 20 billion, and at the back, we come and share the 20 billion. No. Do work. Let people see the infrastructure development.
Very true.
These powerful things there, and you see the resident will die naturally. But today, presidents kill all of them. The remaining one will still rise again. Understand? Remember Obasanjo era and after the Kubo. All of us know what happened that time.
Very
and
true.
what's happening today. So we pray that the president will look inside and solve the problem, not killing everybody.
Very, very true. Oga Obiora, we
Oga,
appreciate this your
very
important
much.
call, and you don't raise some very salient points. You talk, say, the use of force, and not be something when we say go carry us go anywhere. Say, go there very, very important, make the government tackle the root cause. And you talk, say, the root cause na neglect in the sense, say, this place when we say be like the golden goose, or be the goose when they lay the golden egg. Say, we not even treat them, especially at all, no give them any VIP treatment. Say, if the government embark on rapid development of that area, say the thing go die natural death. But then again, Moko ask questions. Before you embark on rapid development, some sort of stability suppose dey in the sense say you don't go dey build for somewhere where we say say if you dey build the builder no dey safe. The building when you build safe, the fit can't even fall am down, can't destroy am. So it go dey very, very important make these people talk say okay we don't show the government say because from the beginning the threat now say we no wan kill anybody, and from the way they don't operate it don't be like say wetin dem talk say they won't bring the economy to zero. Somehow they fit achieve am because if they produce 2.2 million barrels every day, the thing can reduce to 1.4. If our power plants like Afam and Egbim, the thing they produce up to maximum capacity, not even maximum, the capacity what they manage before. Warri and Kaduna refineries, companies they close, they tell their people say abeg we no fit dey operate here because this place no safe. It shows say una get the power, una be chairman, una fit do what una fit do. But now in the interest of the generality of the people of Nigeria and also our brothers in the Niger Delta, it go dey important make we know they contribute to say we dey spoil the environment because as you dey bomb this thing, the thing dey spoil the environment further. If you go take the government of today, another government will go come between 25 to 30 days to clean up Ogoni land. Why we can't they add to RAM? Now we say we they add to maybe from 25 to 30, don't they become maybe 35 to 40, and how more money would they spend?
But then, another stunning thing about this whole thing, we say, okay, fine, a new president don't come into the system. Okay, fine, you can't say in the scrap of a particular plan where the previous government be the this thing, and the previous plan where they get for the Niger Delta people. Okay, fine. If we really look at ideally, the cleaning up of the Ogoni land region, now something will be say, okay, fine. Now lay down plan will be say it go stretch for long, just as Chukwudi is talk. And if we really follow ideally, you go say it go bring prosperity to this region eventually. But the question going to be say, why be say these same people they still fall back on the fact say we want to be involved, we want to be. Say, I can't ask myself, should don't be saying a case of say okay, the old people don't do their own pass. This other new generation of militants because okay, make us also feel benefit from this particular plan before any further plan in cleaning up anything can be made. Because if you look at make we wear them. Because if we don't see the previous group and they claim say a lot of people generate money from there, a lot of people became millionaires from there. And we can't see different factions. Bear in mind say as they talk that time, That time we had only like 2 or 3 factions. But right about now, we know if you count the number of factions we will get.
Very
Now I say it dey increase now interest. Some of them are just personal interest.
But the issue we see they say it they increase, but the problem still remain the same.
Exactly.
Why you not tackle the problem so that all this increment no go there? IG Best.
IG.
They call us all the way from Ejigbo. Oga IG Best, welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello?
Good morning, Oga IG Best. Abeg, bring down the volume of your television, abeg.
Okay. God bless you.
Yes, we dey hear you.
I'm calling from Ojibwe.
Okay, right on, we dey hear.
So I want to make everybody know the problem of the country.
Okay.
For this country. All this a bag of from my side now, almost to 20,000.
The bag of rice for your side.
Yes, almost to 20,000, 19,000 something.
Oga IG Best, you dey hear me?
Yes.
Oga IG Best, you fit hear me?
No? Yes, sir.
Okay, just hear me now, so that
Yes,
when I finish, you could just give us your contribution. Now,
Okay.
why bag of rice they rise? Now because of say okay, if we check production inside our country,
Okay.
the way when we say we they produce, the things when we they use, from where the thing they come from, before the thing go reach your place where we say you go consume them, all these things they contribute to say the money they increase. Now we get investors. People when we say they don't look say Nigeria na very good market, 180 million people, very big country.
Productive.
If we come invest, we do all these kind of things, it go make sense. But they go look and say we get people when they cause trouble for Niger Delta. How we go take resolve them? Government come talk say okay, see what you want to do. Now my question to you now, I say the issue we dey face today of militants in Niger Delta, how you take things say government fit solve this problem once and for all, so that those wey go come invest and you go fit buy bag of rice
At least
for maybe say for like 6,000. Oga IG laugh. He be like very no sure say the price will come down.
The question being that it's not data people. Niger data people, at least they do the lighting to
Reduce the volume of your
IG,
television.
abeg, bring down the volume of your television. If you really want to hear us well, abeg.
Oga IG, be like say
You go call us back,
But
abeg.
we go just tell every other person say make dem try reduce the volume of their television, make we fit hear una well. And if we wan ask question, if you just increase am small so that we go hear you, but the most important thing na say all of us go hear.
Oga IG laugh.
Oga okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga okay, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning,
Greet Oga okay.
Good morning, Mr. Kobi.
Yes, so
I agree to now.
we greet you too.
Make a contribute more.
Okay.
You get what thing they happen to we Nigeria. We Nigerians. We know they run when rain they start. We dey only run when rain don't soak us well. At that time we dey run.
Okay.
And Oga Presido statement, that comment they make it today harsh. Because you know we beat a child, ask that child not to cry. No, it's not possible. It's not going anywhere. Wait, hello.
We dey hear you,
continue.
okay.
Okay. Wetin they be say? They know they use fuel, they quench fire. The problem with Niger Delta people be say they don't know who be who. They know this thing will come, say they be this one will come, say they be this one. Who you want dialogue with? Who you want know? So the problem, one thing where they be say, federal government must do what? Cool down, follow them gently, gradually. Don't be go just say them, go flush them out. You go do this, do that. No, it's not going anywhere, and it's unacceptable. So another thing what I want to talk, we say now all these Fulani henchmen, they don't they start their own small. We know we see and now say these people don't they try something X, make we flush them out before they go. It go not be difficult for us to handle. They don't see that one yet. What here they try to talk, we say make federal government still persevere, follow them gradually, so that because now their area, this thing do, and if they don't put infrastructures, if they don't start something good, these people they no go get joy. So not for them to just that clean up of going land, make sure say the work they go on, and let more things come up, and see these people will cool down. And listen to them. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Amen.
Thank you very much,
Okay,
Ogo,
thank you
okay.
very much for that important contribution. You don't talk and say make we see rapid development, because if the people begin to see am, they know they tell person, you fit tell person say belle dey pain you, you fit tell person say you get headache, but you no fit tell person say you build bridge, because na something wey dem dey see. You no fit tell person say you build house, na something wey dem dey see.
Thing.
So if we dey see this developmental projects, and nobody go, people go look am say, ah wait oh, una say una dey fight for us, but these people don build bridge wey be say if e make our life dey easy to move from here to here. They don give us portable water, we drink clean water. They don give, we don do things, build road wey be say life don dey easy.
They don also start up a clean up wey be say
we go fit fish again.
We go fit farm and fish again.
Exactly.
So all these things, it goes beyond, just as Ogoki don talk, really, it goes beyond them. Just say they focus on one particular project. Make the at least visible projects wey be say it is very visible. Go also fit enlighten. I mean, I say enlighten. At least elevate their mind, make their belly dey sweet further, because by the time they go see, okay, see prospect here, see prospect here, see prospect there. We don't see this project here, we don't see this project here, we don't see this project there. At least they'll also fall back. Come reason say, okay, all these things, na things wey be say yes, true. If we compare wetin dey happen now to the previous government, we go say this government don dey try compared to the other government. Then I go expect to say, okay, make na chill, our sons dem, our sons, make na relax. From wetin we don dey see results, make we also do wetin, make we also collectively come together and ensure say this project wey don start up, or we don dey see, make we ensure say we come together and ensure say we see more of it. Rather than say, okay, may we go cause kasala, may we go cause problem. No, I know they work that way.
It go good make we just emphasize, tell everybody, say, problem. Now everybody heard, now anything they follow up. If we dey watch news based on what they happen for foreign land, different parts of Nigeria, for the world, especially places like the Middle East, Syria, Yemen, Libya.
And even some European countries now.
Some other European countries,
France,
you see, say,
Germany.
not be waiting, person they pray, say make it come. Because if he come, you know they know man, you know they know woman, you know they know Pekin, you know they know religion, you know they know language where they speak. Everybody go affect. And some people go take them like office. They do things when we say it go be like say they benefit them. Meanwhile, they go they promote a problem inside that particular country. We get somebody, they call us all the way from Owerri, I hope so. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, who did the line?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Lai, I come from Niger State.
Okay, we hear you.
To me, Mr. President make a right decision. Because I can see those militants, they are just frustrating our country. You see, we for Northern here, we are suffering our land to satisfy Nigeria. We are farming, suffering land. This is where we got this resource of oil of a trade from this agri. As people abandon agri, we go back to now farming, suffering our land to sustain Nigeria. But then, as suffering Nigeria, so that our children will enter suffering by my people. Honestly speaking, this is so harsh statement by Mr. President, but this is right decision. Because Boko Haram, they are terrorists frustrating Nigeria. And it has gone to the end now that we are not hearing bomb here, bomb there again. By the time those militants of a team come to and pass, everybody will realize that all militants are also a terrorist. They are not fake or no good. Any militants are all the same.
Ogala, well, thank you very, very much for that this opinion of yours, because we always talk and say at least everybody fit talk with it in mind. Just as you don't talk, say okay, the opinion, so the statement of Oga President fit dey harsh, but then make we also look this meeting make and talk the destruction wey don happen and a lot of other things wey don play out. That is why Ingo also need to take severe action to ensure that at least we get back our things back. That is the country get back its resources. May we quickly go for this break, and when we come back, the matter continues as it is hot.
Welcome Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Anun could be there inside the studio and we discuss on top of that Ogonga politics discussion show where they discuss all the issues where they affect everybody inside Obodo Nigeria. One important topic where plenty people inside Obodo Nigeria don't chook mouth inside. And the talk when Oga President talk for Nairobi inside Kenya when he talk say if they no repent, they go give them the Boko Haram treatment based on the way we say this country they as it they affect us as per militancy for the Niger Delta. Some people come and talk say this talk say the thing they hatch somehow because if we dey discuss with them already, we can't go outside they talk this thing, go be like say we dey talk am for outside to carry shoulder up. Meanwhile, they don't tell us say they go bring our economy to zero and then they show them the way when they carry on they go. Other people come and talk say when Oga President they speak with people wey fit come inside the country come invest, he suppose convince them say as President of Nigeria and as country wey we say we don't talk say we dey one, we no go allow some kind criminal gangs them they hold this country anyhow. Before we been go that break, we collect one call from Lahis from inside Niger State. He come talk am say whether Boko Haram or whether militants and say all of them they be criminals based on the way we say that they operate and nothing like say this person own is small to this person own. Criminal activity and criminal activity and the punishment even though it go dey different punishment must still enter inside that particular arrangement. If these people don't talk say then they're willing to discuss it, they very very important make them come table come sit down come discuss in the interest of the people of the Niger Delta, in the interest of Nigerians and in the interest of peace for the West African sub-region. Because if wahala happen for inside Nigeria with 180 million people, wahala they will get plenty Nigerians who dey live for Chad, Niger, Cameroon. They don't get any work based on what Boko Haram don't do. And our problem when we say these countries they deal with, it can't be the one who will affect 180 million people. It just will not make any sense.
And to add up to this, if you also look like from one of the headlines where I see yesterday, we also realize say even among the militants, the various groups, they get internal issues. It can't make me still they wonder, okay, internal issues when they get now, so now to find a ground, a resolving ground, okay, these are now the things we want be this and all that. If the president on his part don't say, okay, fine, I don't open my door for negotiation. I can't be say on our own part, we don't know where we stand on. We don't know if now the presidency they try say okay, they try play draft or chess kind of game. Now because if we look if the president don't open doors, say okay, make now come, make we talk, and you can't be say on our own side. Now we'll talk this one today. Now we'll talk this one tomorrow. Now we'll get internal crisis. Now we'll get split. Now we'll waiting. What is it?
Very true.
Now no get one voice. And this one voice we go fit say okay.
No be even the question of whether they no get one voice. Now indication say it means say wetin these people say that they fight for. Now lie. Hi. Because if you talk say they fight for something and all of una agree say na one thing una they fight for. This person come and come they talk this one. This one come and they talk this one. Then it means say una never ready and na lie una they talk.
We get Olarinde.
Olarinde they call us all the way from Surulere.
Good morning.
Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah, good morning, my people.
Yes,
sir. Olarinde.
How are they?
We dey fine.
Yeah, well, we thank God. The two of you talking. I've been listening. I'm about 70. But what is important, we want peace in Nigeria. You people are young. Tell these people if they destroy, it will not bring any solution. Whether Buhari see this or not, well, let us leave that apart. Let them find peace. Even if they bring any of them come and rule now. If they destroy the economy, what if they will repair the economy? So destroying will not solve any problem. If you see, when they're in the university or any institution, when they destroy property, you see at the end of the day, they still come to that property.
Exactly. They go pay reparation.
So if there is any way you can talk to these people, I think they are young people. The thing is going to affect their people too, their parents, their relations.
Very, very true.
So destruction, leave Buhari alone, that's the way. Even if you have your wife or your child that offends you, you have different nature. If you do this, I will beat you. You know what happens? Some people say, I will beat my wife, I beat you. It doesn't mean that wife you go and take a knife and shoot you now. So that's my own contribution. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
If
Olarinde.
the way we say the team, they have call him Pa Olarinde because if he tell us we appreciate your call. If he tell us say he don't pass 70 years, and if you check person when not pass 70 years, he dey very very obvious say he did there at independence. He did there
doing
the war,
beginning,
and he don't see plenty things inside the Nigeria.
Exactly.
And he already talk and say if we talk say we wan destroy, e no go carry us go anywhere.
Exactly.
So e go good make we come back, come sit down, come discuss am. Now, if we dey talk say na we young, these old people who they don do their own, make dem dey go. If we can't reach the age when we say we suppose they enjoy from the sweat of our youth, what we go do? Then our children when they come, what we go tell them?
Maybe our children when they come will still tell us say
una do for
now
papa
own era
for
we dey. We get Chibike they call us from Ikotu. Good morning Chibike.
Which one be Chibike? Why they use accent calling name?
Chibike Bayo Kajara ina no ge.
There's no any negotiation for any part of the country you can make for the peace Buhari regime.
Why you
talk? They don't declare total war for them.
Why you talk so Chibike?
You know the thing when they airport just flat Arepo and see them deny or this one for Arepo here. Only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes where airport say like this they fire them. Then wrong leave that place. Only just 5 minutes. For Arepo here, only for that could do.
Oh yes. Hi, Chibike.
No, it's very obvious. Don't be Chibike. Don't be Chibike.
Yeah,
that.
One, yeah.
Because from the accent, you
now they
say,
speak like typical Yoruba man.
But then again, if from waiting he talk before the call end, he been talk about waiting our Air Force them or our soldier people them do for Arepo, for Ikorodu area. Say, you know, take 5 minutes. Them blast the all of them
that place.
But then again, he go look before if as a soldier man or those of us who get military experience. Before you go fight, people they check. You they check difference for fight. For example, the way when we say...
give me one particular tactics for fight for military.
No, be wait, man.
No, going by your...
Wait. If
no,
anyone...
Going by your military experience.
Wait, anyone...
No, hold on.
Anyone when I talk, you go understand.
No, going by your military experience.
Okay. Give
me like 3 solid
make I address what he raise first. From the way when he talk, I'm like, say if our army people just vex, say, oh yeah, we don't do for now. They can't say if you do am. But then again, like waiting for our land, they tell us, say, whether violence from say the army won't deal with them or these young people when they ginger, if the thing spoil, now all of us it will affect. So it go good make we go the easy way. Rather than say make I fight you. If I fight you, maybe you wound me for eye, I wound you for 2 eye. We can't
at least that 2 of us.
I'll give you tactics. Joshua,
good morning.
Yeah.
Yes, talk to us, we hear you. Joshua, would they hear?
This matter when I talk about soldier and all those people.
Okay.
You know, go help because the soldier want to take violence. Those boys too, they will face them.
You think that those boys get power past our soldier? Okay, Joshua. You think that those boys get power past our soldier?
They are ready for death because now soldiers sign death. Then they sign death as a good thing. You know what they do.
Well, okay, Joshua, going by what you felt.
I'm from Cross River, and I don't deport. I don't know what they happen there.
Okay. Okay, Joshua, you know what will happen? Make we leave who get power pass. Like we talk, make we follow the easiest way. When no go cost, make we fight. So how you take things say? Continue.
Because if the soldiers get power pass those boys, they also get power pass Boko Haram. That's not going to help.
No, Oga Joshua. Oga Joshua, if you go just allow me. Oga Joshua, allow me come inside here now. We don't talk, say, we know the drag will get power pass. We no one fight again. What do they talk? We say,
fight or
we won't follow the easiest way. When we no go show power, whether na army get power or the people. What do you think that we fit do to you see say this issue? We get solution when we say no go cause problem.
Okay.
We dey hear you.
Maybe just go there, go try dialogue with those people because anything they fight for, if the government can come to their aid, if the government can listen to them, I believe they go cool. Now I think they make the president, if the president himself won't go there, if one will not know. But maybe they just try to go to their problems so that they will solve them.
Okay. Okay, Joshua, thank you very, very much for that contribution. Just as Chukwudi talk, say two wrongs cannot make a right. If at the claim say yeah, it is by resources that we will kill ourselves on top, and government can't talk say yes, it is a national resource, we will deal with you. In the end, once not done, they exchange that fight. Una go suffer the entire nation self go suffer so just like one typical song, I don't know whether you go feel one particular Fuji song, Ella Wow.
2 of them they beg, say they set to the fight. We get Oga Mustafa all the way from Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State. Oga Mustafa, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chikudi.
Good morning, Mustafa.
Oga Mustafa, make I ask you one quick question now. This one, first, before we even talk about this one. you know the condition of anybody or any people when they for IDP camps.
Mm-hmm. Yes, partially I know not that enough, but I know something.
Okay. Oga Mustapha, after this call now, what we go like make you do be say, make you call us back so that you go drop your number. Okay, so that we go reach you. We won't discuss some very important things, but make your contribution on this particular one.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Chukudi, what I'm going to say about this Niger Delta militant. I'm from Maiduguri.
Okay.
I know how this Boko Haram issue started. Every criminal will hide under one thing or another. If you remember this Boko Haram, they come under Sharia law and some other things, fighting corruption, the government is insincere. And that is how they lure many of our youth. If we could remember, when they have started dislaunching police stations, they were not attacking the soldiers first then. They were attacking the police station, from one police station to another, from one local government headquarters to another. Many of our elders and many of us were clapping hands for them, thinking they are doing something good to us.
Something right, yes.
But I'm telling you, what happened, our action and inaction, especially our elders, their action and their inaction, make us to regret, and we will continue to regret what happened to us in the next 100 years. We will not fully recover. So please, I'm appealing to those elders and the youth in the Niger Delta region. Those criminals called avengers, they are, in fact, it's a disgrace to entire Niger Delta region. Nobody can represent them or cry for their turn. It's those criminals to come and be say they are taking for development by destroying me. You destroy, you vandalize the pipeline, you pollute my environment, and you are telling me that you are fighting for my right. How? For God's sake. For God's sake. We know anybody that has ever come to that Niger Delta will know that those people are very peaceful, love peace people. And me, I witness it because I've been there twice. I know how good these Niger Delta people are. So please, I beg you in the name of God, don't enter our shoe.
Oga Mustapha, we appreciate this your contribution. And the beg when we say we take beg. We get Oga Samuel in the call us all the way from Ikotun. Oga Sam, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Ezigbo Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Sam.
Good morning, my friend.
Nkubi. Good morning, Oga Samuel.
God bless you.
Yes, we're here.
You see, our president, let him understand that he's aging. Let him not talk like a young military man. If the days of his military actions were his now presidency, he will put this country into bonfire. His utterances are not making any sense that justifies him as a president of this country. Each time he travels out of this country, he has always making sweeping statements that are very inciting. The world at large is watching Nigeria, and the interest of the world at large is they want to separate Nigeria. Niger Delta is a zone of the country. The oil that they are talking about is in that zone. If Buhari apply military force, he will give room for other foreigners, foreign countries, to come underground and aid the Niger Delta indigenes and say, destroy the whole pipelines. The economy will be grounded. Buhari should be warned that the people around him, his advisors, if he wants to say plus or minus, he will use force for the Niger Delta. They are agitated within an area, not as a country where Boko Haram incident has spilled into herdsmen. Today, lives are going more in his time than the time of the past president. He must seek the opinion of National Assembly before he makes his utterances of making sweeping statements of he will deal with Niger Delta as a body. They are in a region where if they try to blow the whole pipeline, they may even damage their own selves. But what good does it bring to the country called Nigeria? Buhari is talking from Katsina State. Geographically, it's very far from that place.
as a part of this country, what even the national budget, which is going to come out, it is less budget for Niger Delta as against the North Central. You should be watching it. The world does not want Nigeria to be together. So when the Syria issue, Russia was behind Syria. Today, the competition are getting. It's increasing more and more.
Okay.
Let his advisor advise Buhari.
Oga Samuel.
Statement is not worth as a part of this country.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Samuel. Thank you very, very much. Yes, we don't hear your opinion. I also say as you drop the whole thing. We get Ufoma. Ufoma, they call us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Ufoma. Ufoma, you there? Good morning.
Ufoma.
I
just was every year. Good morning. You go be good. Ufoma. They change voice. They spoil people then as well as Chibi Ken. They call name with accent. You know.
My younger brother bears Chibi Ken.
Why is it Chibi Ken?
That's why they call my
Igbo teacher Chibi Ken.
They make you address
Chibi
you. Don't do you.
Chibi Ken. We dey discuss the issue of Niger Delta here now and how we fit find solution to this problem once and for all. See as from the beginning to the end of this program now, everybody is making sense.
But wait.
Chibi Ken.
As when you take start this particular issue.
Not be the one we take drop this thing, make us start like this. Then we saw men who come here, they argue, say, why you go talk am? Why you no go talk am? Why you be saying they talk for outside? As some people want more talk. You know, see as we come look, say, more we approach am from this angle.
But
call and they give advice.
They take deliberately, indirectly, can't they?
I know they use deliberately, and they talk wetin dey clear. Who former? If na woman now, you call the name.
He don't do.
But he don't do. That's why yesterday, woman call you begin. Every time woman call you go balance. If na man you go there, I say you won't fall down. Woman go call you go balance. MD.
Okay.
Managing director.
Hey, you don't do. Make look into it.
They want me, they close eye.
You
know if one militants then when they cause problem for the country.
We don't talk we talk about militancy. You don't do. Okay, make quickly look into some of the calls where we'll get and then some of the statements where our callers also make. Oga Mustafa will call us from Meduguri. Make a very vital, very vital talk and going by waiting in talk. He say, if you look back to how it takes start for Boko Haram, now something we say collectively then be like, but waiting it can eventually turn out to be, not be waiting they anticipate. Bringing it down to Niger Delta, then get elders, then get representatives, they get strong men, where we say, as these issues they happen, they never on their own part come out and say, we want the government to do this for us. Rather, now the people will say the people then of course the nation will term as criminals or they will term as people where they destroy this thing. Now can't they do it? Can't they try fight for a right? And the right will not really fit place where the right. They whether not the right for the people or for the right for their own pocket. But then it can't make us look for the interest of Nigeria. Make we not also see a repeat of what happened for this thing for Borno. Make it happen now. Make this no can go escalate beyond what we see now. I mean a very vital part. I can't even add prayer join. So which means going by it now, for us to just avoid any bigger casualty from playing out. And a very strong statement, and I really appreciate that.
Very true. It get one popular saying when they talk, say, who no go, no. Person will never see as something there. Even if they talk
understand,
if you talk am like say you know, but if you never see him, you no go fit describe am well. And now somebody will come from Maiduguri where we say he talk am say he don't experience firsthand the problem of insurgency and terrorism. Now in they call, they give us this warning. So I need to come say when the thing bin first start, when then they attack police station, some elders and some people they applaud them say, "Una do well, Sharia law, all those kind of things." But now see the way the thing called result into. In fact, the problem never even solved because people talk say we don't stop them from throwing bomb. We get internally displaced persons where we say as a result of the activities of these bad people.
I also get like a typical state where they represent one of the regions. They also come out and talk say the one who that claim say they don't collect all the regions. Say
no, nothing. When Oga Obiora even call us when Oga Obiora
for Adam Yola,
he says for some towns they still get this kind of
effect.
So if we check them, it go very very important. Make they apply wisdom. Oga Sam been talk about Syria when he talk say Russia somehow from their body language then they support Bashar al-Assad. And now why this problem for over 5 years don't go?
This battle is not
video, people they die every day.
The battle of Syria,
the US and Russia.
No, yeah, that is not the battle of Syria between US and Russia. Syrian are just trying ground. Say that make we try our bombs as they take work. Now what they suffer for. And I mean, which is very, very annoying. Make we not also fall on that part. That what do the people could not see them.
It go there important. May I draw my ear, give everybody when they watch. And at the message of Paolani now I want drop. Paolani they call us, he tell us saying don't pass 70.
See, thank you. Man, we don't see the beginning. If you do plus or minus
of Nigeria,
you don't see the beginning.
Nigeria get independence for 1960. 1960 going to 2016.
About 50-something years.
Paolani they senior Nigeria.
Paolani
they there before independence. So pre-independence, independence, post-independence.
Thank you very much.
And he don't tell us say violence now something when we say no go lead us go anywhere. If God bless person reach the age of 70 plus for inside this country with all the things we don't see, and the person can advise you say, I've been there, have done that,
I've seen all these
things. This thing where would they go? So you know go help us. You go good make we hear. Oga Mustafa when live for inside Maiduguri, when see first hand the problem of Boko Haram himself don't call us. He tell us as the thing takes start. He tell us as people they hate. He tell us what they happen now. He say he no go help us. So he go good in our own wisdom when God don't give us. Make we embrace peace to move forward. This one no be matter of say I'm the president, I'm commander-in-chief of that body. I want to show you. This one no be say militants we are fighting. It's our place. We enter underwater and come out. You will not see us. In the interest of Nigeria, the future of this country, the children of Nigeria, our mothers, our sisters, and the men when they inside this country, make we embrace peace.
We don't see civil war and we no pray. Make
we don't see which one be done. You did here.
No, I know they do. But
so why they say we don't see? How old are you? We don't see. We don't see.
We don't see. We don't witness civil war.
If I talk about age now, you go begin to complain.
We don't witness civil war.
Don't say we.
Our parents tell us as the whole thing take waka.
And you say
now
we
that kind of thing we no want take our own eyes see for this our lifetime. We don't even see them at all for Nigeria.
We don't just to say amen. We go walk towards say we don't see.
Exactly, and that's why everybody go need to at least make we do ensure say we resolve this matter than to come they say will they do this, will they do this interest.
You don't go and show now. Today when we do something without
tomorrow don't do you.
Before I enter you now because even your birthday gift you never see.
See tomorrow we'll come and do it and don't go
matter. Who give girls swear? Who give girls swear? Carry girl on come if you are a girl. I will expose you. I will expose you. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.